your motorbike?
Yes.
Give me a wee bit
I've had that 125 for 6 years. I've passed my test. I can drive without an A1 licence because I'm under 5 foot. I've not been able to get a bigger bike. I've since bought a 650, Kawasaki 650. The way that you try to go and do my licence, I can ride any bike. But I came off, second time I came off my bike was May 2015, and I banged my head and cracked a rib, and I've ended up with a fourth. A fourth cranial nerve palsy. So I get double vision. My anxiety would just through the roof at the thought of going on the bike, especially when it's like this.
Stick your arm out in front of you, make it tight fist, and just focus on this part of your hand here. Bring your head into your eyes now. Feel that sensation of hypnosis into your eyes now. That's it. So 3, 2, 1. Eyes open, wide awake. Give yourself a wee stretch. So do you think you can go out there and handle your bike?
Aye. It's nervous, but I could ride it in now. It's windy and it's howling down the rain, and I'm going
And
to
you're
ride
excited to be going on your bike. Okay,
I'm
on my bike.
on my bike.